In this video, we will go through a poison pill scenario. So basically we have one application that consumes data in the topic called payment, and we will produce a wrong record in this topic in order to make the application crash. So let's go in the topic, and using the live consume, I can see that some records are coming in real time. So everything looks fine. And if I go in the consumer groups tab, I can see that I have two consumer groups that are all stable and consuming the records. They both expect records that follow the schema that is linked to the topic. But the thing is that in order to generate a poison pill, I will just produce a record that doesn't follow the schema, like this one. So here, I just produce my poison pill, and if I go back to the consumer group, I can see that they are both empty, meaning that they are both down. So in order to jump on top of this poison pill, I will have to see exactly on which partition and at which offset this record has been produced. So for that, I will go in the consume, and I know that it has been produced between now and the previous hour. I will set the number of records at 5,000, and I will create a filter that says my value contains boom. I will click on apply, and here I can retrieve the poison pill. If I go in the metadata, I can see that the poison pill is on the partition 3 at the offset 56. So now I will go back in the consumer groups, I will select one of them, and I will reset the offset on the topic payment, and I will shift it by 1 on the partition 3. And here we can see that the offset is the same for all the partitions except for the partition 3, in which we will jump on top of the poison pill. So if I click on reset and go back to the topic payment, obviously the consumer is still down. Even if we have jumped on top of the poison pill, it's still down. So I will restart it on my side and go back here. So I have just restarted my application. So now I will just reload the page. And here my application is stable and the overall lag is back to 0, meaning that it's on time. It's consuming the data live. So the only thing I have to do is to follow the same process for the other consumer group, and that way everything will be back to normal.